Here we see the new functionalities like tab switching. So for today's videos we make a tab switching functionality with scrollable element. Means each tab have its own scrollable elements, and this is the fully responsive, and you can check some elements are not visible. So for that you can simply click on link, then you can see the other elements. So first we need some files, HTML files, CSS files and JavaScript. First make index HTML, app.js and style.css for styling. And for index I use the snippet, Sublime snippet, and title I will give tab switch tabs, link the style sheet and JavaScript file. First make a container which like as a parent one. For title I will use the header title, inside I use the p tag where I write select favorite programming. So this tab is related to your programming. Now you can check in browser. Now move to styling. So for body I will simply put margin 0, padding 0, and box size is border box. Font family I will take Arial, and background color for simplicity I will use white. For text color simply put as a gray text color. And now design or style your container. Position is relative, so you can easily relate your position with other elements. Width is 100%, max width I will take 900, padding 0.35, margin be 0 top bottom, and left right be auto. So your container is in center. Now style the title, header title. For simply I used flex, and write all other switches, or you can say tab, which is inside in switch layout. First one is active, so for that use active switch class, and for navigate the other switches I will use a data tab like switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. This relate the ID of the scrollable element, or sorry, scrollable content. Yeah, scrollable content. Second one is the switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, and so on. First I will take programming, then compiler, website, YouTube, and last one I will put as a general. Okay, next you move your designing part. So width use 100%, align atom for center because you already declared display as a flex, and content also be a space between. Design this p tag. So for that font size you can take as a 22 pixel, font weight bold because some I want some text be a bold. Line height 24 pixel, letter space, word spacing in a text. So for that use word spacing. Now design each switch. So for designing a switch, display flex, and I want X overflow. So for use auto. Border bottom 1 pixel because for good UI I want some bottom border. Scrollable width I don't want some width showing in browser, so for that use none. Padding bottom 10 pixel, give some space between your border and your text. Font family Courier. And now design. I don't want like this scrollable element is visible in other browser, for that so simply display none. And design each switch. So flex direction is 0, 0 auto, and margin be want some space between them. So 10 pixel, 5 pixel and 0. Padding be 5, 10 and border radius 4 pixel. Border bottom 1 pixel solid and transparent, because when I hover then not fluctuate the text. So for that I use transparent and border bottom. Text align center, font size is 15 pixel, line height 18 pixel, and I want some animation. So for that use border bottom 3 second and ease in out. Now this is the extra. If you want to use then you can, otherwise leave it. Switch focus, like user select and outline, and this focus is used basically when you put the mouse on text, then it shows some cursor. So for that I use these lines. So, and when I hover particular switch, then I want some border bottom. So position relative and border radius is 0 pixel. I want simply a underline. Okay, now design the first one, which one is the active switch. So background color be something like gray or color be white. Border radius first 4 pixel. Okay, simply first I use color is white and background color like something gray, which I already declare above. And for tab switching use JavaScript. I want some event listener which is already defined in JavaScript. DOM content load, when the page is loaded then this JavaScript code is run or executed. So for that this event listener is used. First one is fire event on each switch. So for that I need to select all the switches. So use document.query selector all and grab the all switches. So inside query selector all write your class name, and after that for content, like when I click the tab then content is displayed. For time being I need to comment this line. Now working on all switch, first loop through all the switches and grab first one. So for that not this one, for that now I have a single switch. For when I click then I want some fire event listener, that event is click. Then again fire all the switch and check which switch has class already, which means which tab is active one. So first I need to remove the class, and then means triggered switch has added this class active switch. And now you can check, if you click on the switch then you can check, but you check that when I move another switch then it will some border. So for that I need to remove border radius be 4 pixel. Now it's working fine.